You're welcome once again. So, as I said in the previous video, there are steps that we follow in registering for the upcoming workshop, and we have two of them for the professional and the unprofessional. So, this video is going to take you through how you're going to register as a professional teacher, and then I also talk about how you're going to register as an unprofessional teacher online, okay, so that you take part in the upcoming mandatory workshop by NTC. You can also check the videos in the NTC group. I think there are tutorials there. Better still, you can also follow this to do your registration. So let's start. So to register the course on the NTC portal as a professional teacher, that is a teacher with license, what you're going to do is you go to your Google, and then on your search tool or your search bar, you type teacher portal Ghana, right? Teacher portal Ghana. You see that after typing in that on Google, you see teacher portal Ghana over there displayed, right? So the first link having tpg.ntc.gov.gh, you click on that one. It will send you to NTC portal. You can also type this website address or this domain in any of your search tool, right? Or any of your web browser, and it will take you there. It will take you to teacher portal. So if this is your first time, blah 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 blah, this is not necessary. Just click on close because I don't need it for now. I'm not now going to register. Okay, so this is for those who have already registered and you are having your license already. So on the portal, then you click on log in. Since you have already registered, you click on log in. Now you're already a teacher, so you click on teacher login. So over here, you type your email address. That is the email that you used to register on the NTC portal. And then you type your password, the password that you used to register on the NTC portal. So I'll do that. So you type your email there. Now, whenever you type your email, make sure there is no space left, okay, at the end of com. If there is a space left, at times, some phones create spaces, okay, by default. So make sure if there is a space left like this, right, you see where the cursor is blinking. If there is a space, you delete that one. You go backspace, just one to delete it. Now you type your password also here. So from here, you click on I'm not robot. Then you click on log in. Then you see that this page will be opened and a code will be sent to your email, the one that you used to register the NTC. That is what we call the authentication code. So you check your email, you get the code, whether you copy it or you can write it somewhere, and then you come and write it here at where they've written authentication code. Okay, so you go to your email for the code, then you come and type it there. After that, then you click on log in. Then your page will be opened. So after it's open, you see a certain circle at this side. You click it. You hit okay. That circle having those three lines in it, you click it, and it will take you to your menu on the portal. Then you click on training programs. The course will be displayed. Then you click on it. So now you've reached where the course is. Then you click on register. So after successfully registration, you see the success saved changes. Okay, that means you have successfully registered for the course. And right after that, you will see that the register will now change to unregister, having a red background color. Okay, it means you have registered. That is how professional teachers are going to register for the course for this mandatory program by NTC. So for the unlicensed teachers, or those to say unprofessional teachers, you click on the link that has been sent to the WhatsApp group. I mean the one that is having bit.ly whatever, right? You click on that link and then it will take you to the Google platform. You just click it and it will take you to the Google Docs over here, having this content written: subject content, methodology, and professional portfolio of teachers registration form for unlicensed teachers. Okay, so this one is for unlicensed teachers, and we are supposed to pay 70 cedis. That is what they are saying. You can pay through mobile money or by cash at the training center, and they said, to be at the safer side, let us all pay it at the training center. Okay, so after that, now over here you scroll, then you click on full name. You type your full name there. Email, you type your email there. Okay, make sure it's the one on the NTC portal. Now all newly posted teachers, you are supposed to register on the NTC portal. So if you have not registered, then make sure you register. One of the facilitators said in order to avoid mistakes, he will assist you to do that, right? So you can contact him personally in the evenings for him to assist you. I will send his number to the platform for you so that you can call him at the right time that he said, and then he will assist you do your registrations to avoid any errors, right? So the same email that you have used on the NTC portal, use that one here to register, okay, for this upcoming workshop, right? Good. And then the telephone number that you use to register on the NTC portal, use the same telephone number here. Then you add your WhatsApp number. We are in Offensu Municipal, so you select your district, right? Then you type your school name here. After all these details, then you click on submit, right? So let me do mine and then submit. So after typing in all these, then you click on submit. So after the submission, you see that this is what will be indicated: subject content, methodology, and professional portfolio of teachers registration form for unlicensed teachers. Your response has been recorded. So if you see this, it means that you have registered, okay, for the upcoming workshop. That is for those people who are not licensed, okay, for the newly posted teachers and other staffs, right? So if you reach here, you are done. You are done with the registration.